I usually start my mornings with my yoga practice. Honestly, that's just a non-negotiable for me. No matter what day it is, no matter what's happening, at least like 5 minutes of practice, whether that's meditation or movement. Then I usually go outside on a little hike down to the river. I love to just go for a morning swim. I feel like it's the perfect way for me to start my day. These guys always find me somehow. I love them, Shani and Mosca. They're the cutest, but they're pretty mischievous. Most of my trips to Costa Rica involve just working at the villa, making sure everything looks good. And this specific trip, me and my brother went down to Costa Rica so we could get some footage and photos to start promoting the house. This is a family-owned villa, my family and my parents started this project back in 2021, building everything from the ground up. So this villa holds a special place in my heart. During this time, I was looking into permaculture and I decided to sign up for a course at Finca Tierra, which is located in Puerto Viejo. Even when it's rainy, I just enjoy being outside so much. It's such an abundant land, and any opportunity I get to be outside, I'm gonna take it. Here's a little look at my parrot that I'm working on. My brother took this photo of these parrots on his camera and I just decided to paint it because they look pretty cute, and honestly I just love painting like realism and details. I love this vivero in Pérez de León. I honestly forgot what it's called, but it is so beautiful. And they have a really good selection. So we're back at the villa and we're walking down to the jungle with Adam and Fran. Adam's my brother. Fran, he works with us at Villa Luz. Look at this man with the beer in his hand. A complete savage. But he's hiking in hokas. That is a mistake.
Adam, careful. Oh
Oh no. When you are in the jungle, you cannot hike in hokas. When you are in the jungle, you need hiking shoes. My poor brother. Oh, look at him. He's like a little lamb. Yeah, his beer was definitely left behind. But this was 15 minutes away from the villa. I am so grateful to just have access to such beauties. Adam left and me and Fran kept exploring. I just love being able to explore with a tico, someone who knows the land. And hello, there are monkeys. There are literal monkeys in my backyard. So we're back at the villa and I'm repotting the plants. I don't know what it is. I just love to get dirty. I love to just stick my hands in dirt and just work outside. It fuels my soul. Here's Fran asking me where I want him to plant the little tree that he picked up. I don't know what day this is. Fast forward a couple days. This video is all over the place, but I'm setting up some lights in the outdoor kitchen just to get it nice and pretty so we can get some videos. And I think this day we also turned on the pizza oven. Honestly, we had no idea what we were doing with that pizza oven. We just lit a fire in it and we hoped for the best, but that didn't end up working out. Here I am making pizza, thinking that the pizza oven's gonna work. Look at that yeast. This is in real time, people. That was not fast forward. That is so crazy. Anyways, I love to cook, and yeah, one thing about me is I will cook for anybody and everybody. It makes me feel complete. Like, that's my purpose, is to just like fill people's bellies. I'm making 3 pizzas. I'm making a pepperoni pizza, a pineapple pizza, and a veggie pizza. The veggie pizza was so bomb. This pizza oven is beautiful and it works, but we just did it incorrectly. Just letting you know that pizza was raw and we had to cook it in the oven inside the house. Below the yoga and below the gym, there's this river, and every time I go to Costa Rica, you will catch me down by that river because it's literally just like on the property. Every time I'm here, I fall in love with this view, and you would too if you were here to experience it. So, book with Villa Luz. I had recorded a 25-minute yoga flow to upload to my YouTube, but unfortunately my mic wasn't working. This is Dominical, and I do love this place. I love that they have a lot of vendors, and the beach is untouched. As you can see, there's a lot of driftwood, but some people have mixed reviews. Personally, I like it. I like the vibes, I like the food, and you just gotta go on a good day. You gotta go in the morning. This is my first time driving up to the villa from Dominical. I think this might be my first time driving in Costa Rica. I was zooming